Today we're going to talk about infinitives. An infinitive is to followed by the base verb. Let's look at some infinitives. To eat. I love to eat pizza. To read. I like to read comic books. To go. I don't like to go on roller coasters. Awesome! Let's learn a little more about when to use infinitives. 1. Following an adjective. It's nice to meet you. 2. Following a noun or pronoun. He asked me to call you. 3. As the object of a verb. I want to make pizza today. Now you try and make some sentences using infinitives. See you next time.